I am enough. We spend so much energy trying to edit ourselves para magustuhan ng iba. We overthink our captions, our outfits, even the way we speak. Pero here's the truth. You cannot control the narrative that other people create in their heads. Isipin mo yung circle of control mo. Sa loob ng circle, nandun yung efforts, yung integrity, at ang pakikitungo mo sa kapwa. Sa labas, nandun yung opinions nila, ang kanilang mood, kanilang judgment. Kapag pinilit mong kontrolin yung nasa labas, mauubos ka lang. It's a losing game. Kaya instead of asking, bakit hindi nila ako gusto? Try asking, ginawa ko ba ang best ko today? Nagpakatotoo ba ako? Well, if the answer is yes, then you've already won. Yung mga bad people at critics, isipin mo na lang silang life trainers. Tinuturuan kanilang maging resilient at i-filter kung sino talaga ang dapat mong pakinggan. At the end of the day, ang pinaka-importanting boses na dapat mong marinig, yung boses mo na nagsasabing, I am enough. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect para sa lahat. Kailangan mo lang maging totoo para sa sarili mo. Let the world be the world. Focus on your growth. Protect your peace and keep your head high. Everything is falling into place for a reason. Believe that. Di ba?